Hello children, welcome back to the other new session. In this session we are going to discuss a new chapter, quadrilaterals. What is that? Quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. Yes, quadrilaterals. What is the quadrilateral? Okay. So in previous class, in 6th class, we discussed rectangle, square, triangle. How can you identify whether it is triangle or not, rectangle or not, square or not, children? Suppose rectangle means it has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. Okay, opposite sides are same. Suppose these two are same, these two are same. So 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices and also opposite sides are equal. Like this we can identify it is a rectangle. Okay, next. Suppose square. How can you identify the given picture is square or not? Here also 4 sides, 4 angles. So rectangle also we have 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices. Here also 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices. What is the difference between the rectangle and the square, children? Their opposite sides only equal, but here 4 sides are the same. Suppose one is 4 centimeters means remaining also we have same. All the sides are equal. Okay, this is the square, children. Suppose triangle. Triangle. How can you identify triangle and its properties? In 7th class only we have discussed, children. It has 3 sides, 3 angles, 3 vertices. Okay. So like this, the picture has triangle. We can observe, we can identify, children. Now we have quadrilateral. How can you identify quadrilateral? Yes, we will discuss, children. Suppose quadrilateral means, see children, see, here we have rectangle, very good. Okay, I will draw here. Okay, see children, how many sides we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. Okay, how many sides we have? 4 sides. What are the sides we have here? See. AB, BC, next CD, next DA. So 4 sides we have. Yes? Next, how many angles we have? See children. 4 angles. What are the angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. These angles only, how can you write, children? Already we discussed, children. DAB or BAD. Angle A, how can you write? Angle DAB or angle BAD. Anyway we can write. In between we have should be A. So angle DAB or angle BAD. Suppose this angle, how can you write? Angle ABC. Angle ABC or angle CBA. Anyway you can write, children. Okay. Like remaining 2 angles also you can write. Next, vertex. Vertices. What are the vertices, children? Where the 2 lines are joined, where the 2 lines are joined or meet, It is only vertex. So how many vertices we have? 4 vertices. A comma, B comma, C comma, D. So here 4 vertices we have. Okay. So any picture it is quadrilateral or not. How can you identify, children? Like this. It has 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices. Now you have one doubt, children. Is it quadrilateral or not? Suppose we discussed it is a rectangle. Yes? So rectangle is a quadrilateral or not? Yes, quadrilateral only, because what are the qualities? That quality is satisfied here also. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides we have. Here one of the angles. 4 angles we have, children. Next, 4 vertices also we have. Okay, but see, it is not a rectangle, children. Rectangle means we have one quality. What is that? Opposite side should be the same. Suppose like this I can draw the picture, children. Is it quadrilateral or not? Yes, it is a quadrilateral, but it is not a rectangle. Have you understood? The point is, it is a quadrilateral, but it is not a rectangle. Rectangle is one of the types of quadrilateral. Yes, children. So we have so many quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals are there, children. We will discuss that also. Okay. So how can you identify, children? Quadrilateral. It has 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices. Okay. Next. Interior of the quadrilateral, exterior of the quadrilateral. See, interior of a quadrilateral, exterior of a quadrilateral. Suppose A, B, C, D. In between we have E, F, G, H, I, K. That's all. Okay, so A, B, C, D are on the quadrilateral. Okay, on the quadrilateral. Next, what are the inside of the quadrilateral, children? What are the points we have? E, F, G are the interior of the quadrilateral. Okay, so these points we call it as interior points of the quadrilateral. Interior points of the quadrilateral. Suppose, what are the exterior points? Outside points only, exterior points. What are the exterior of the quadrilateral? See, I, K, H. Okay, so interior points. What are the interior? E, G, F. E comma, G comma, F. These are the interior. Next, what are the exterior? What are the exterior? H, K, I. So 3 exterior points we have, 3 interior points we have. Now on the quadrilateral, what are the points of on the quadrilateral, children? See, A, B, C, D. This is on the quadrilateral. What are they? A comma, B comma, C comma, D on the quadrilateral. Okay, children. So what are the interior? What are the exterior? What are the on the quadrilateral also we have discussed. Next, children, we have angle sum property. Where we discussed angle sum property, in triangle we have discussed. Okay, what are the sum of the angles in a triangle, children? 180 degrees. Okay, now angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Suppose Is it quadrilateral? Yes, 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices we have. Yes, it is a quadrilateral. Good. So A, B, C, D. Okay. So 4 angles we have. Before that, I will explain this one, children. Just listen. It is a rectangle. A, B, C, D. You know the property, angle sum property of a triangle. Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Very good. So now this rectangle I am dividing like this, children. Okay, I am dividing like this. Now, see children, ADC. It is a triangle or not, children? ADC, triangle. Okay. Next, ACB. It is also triangle or not? Yes, triangle only. We know the property. Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Suppose ADC. Angle A plus angle D plus angle C should be 180 degrees. This is the angle sum property of a triangle. Yes? Suppose here also A, B, C. It is also triangle only, na? Yes. So angle A, angle C plus angle B also should be 180 degrees. Yes, is it clear, children? See, here we are dividing as 2 triangles. Okay, here 180 degrees, 180 degrees. So these 2 triangles when we added, then only we get quadrilateral. So sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, we can say, children. Okay, so here angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. 360 degrees. So in this picture you can understand, children, how can we get 360 degrees. Okay, so any quadrilateral you can take. Suppose, for example, rectangle only we are taking again. See, children, here 4 angles we have now. So what is this angle, children? What is this angle? See, what is this angle? Suppose board only we can take. Okay, so board in rectangle shape only, no? So what is the angle, children, here? 90 degrees, perpendicular, no, this one? See, 90 degrees. So this is the 90 degrees. Here also, children, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and 90 degrees. So overall 4 angles 90 degrees means 9 4s are 36. That means 90 4s are 360 degrees. Yes, children. So 90 angles, 4 angles we have. So totally we have 360 degrees. Understood, children? So any type of quadrilateral we can take. So we have few types of quadrilateral, children. Suppose parallelogram, kite, trapezium, like 6-7 types of quadrilaterals we have, children. Okay, so next year we will discuss that one. Okay, just this year we have introduction of quadrilaterals. Okay, so how can you identify the quadrilateral, children? It has 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices. Okay, what is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral? Sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay, children? Yes, I hope you understand this class, children. Small assignment I will give you, children. The three angles of a quadrilateral are (55 degrees, 65 degrees and 105 degrees. What is the fourth angle? What is the fourth angle? Okay, so three of the angles of quadrilateral are, they have given children 55 degrees, 65 degrees and 105 degrees. So, what is the fourth angle? You know children, sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So, three angles they have given. How can you find out the fourth angle? Easily you can say children. So, this is a small assignment for you children. I hope you understand children. Thank you.